All right, guys, big news in Axie land. Looks like Origin is just around the corner. They're going to be doing a soft launch of this, and here's what to expect. You're going to see some new upgraded graphics, which is pretty cool. But they're basically going to roll it out in phases. So they're going to start with a small scope, make sure everything happens, and then roll it out. Now, some people aren't happy about this, but that's the way that it's going to be, and that's fine. So they're going to be launching it on desktop devices through the Mavis Hub. So it's going to be launched on desktop, which is pretty cool. Hopefully that includes both Mac and Windows. And they're going to be testing scalability, adjusting to the new game mechanics before rolling it out to mobile. They want everything to be smooth, and obviously, these things can be problematic. So about a month after the release of the Origin, then they'll launch it for Android through the mobile APK. Well, basically you download, and it's just a file. It's not really in the App Store. So they're going to launch it separately to make sure they have enough capacity. Obviously, most of the players are playing on Android, and it's a lot easier to launch that on iOS. Good news for iOS, because they're going to be right here. They're going to be actively working towards making the tweaks so it can be approved and listed in the Android and the iOS app stores. iOS could take a while. It's still been in test flight for a long time. Test flight is, of course, full, and who knows how long that will take. So hopefully that will come soon. So once the mobile and the desktop are live, then they're going to include the SLP rewards, the charms and the runes, and have official seasons, which should be exciting. So Origin will have a soft launch PvE story mode. So that's probably going to be something where they're introducing you to it like the original one where you're playing against a computer in adventure mode, and they're going to introduce you to the runes, charms, training mode, and all that kind of stuff over time. Then they're going to add the cosmetics, the upgraded parts, tournaments, PvP seasons, and all that good stuff. One of the best things about Axie is the ecosystem. So looking for your feedback, and some people are happy about that, some people are not. But yeah, we're looking forward to it. So it does sound good. A lot of people are commenting here, tired of broken promises and deadlines. Seriously, honestly, for me personally, I think that what they've been able to bring out in the last few months, from staking AXS to the Ronin wallet, to Katana launching the whole decentralized exchange. I mean, they've done a lot of stuff. They've had to deal with cheating and bots and all kinds of stuff. The problems with SLP, which are still problematic, but they're looking to make that good. So honest opinion, people don't like this has been handled. So some people think it will take a while. Overall, I think that there's some great things to look forward to. And one of the interesting things about Axie Infinity is when you look at it in terms of the games, I'll compare it to FIFA 22. People who play FIFA hate EA Sports. They think that it's basically just taking advantage of the players and all that kind of stuff. What I like about Axie Infinity is it's creating a more community, more where both interests are aligned with the players and the game makers. So that's one thing to keep in mind as this space evolves. As always, if you have comments on Axie Infinity Origin or play to earn in general, leave them in the comments. That's all I got for you today. Oh, and by the way, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed for more great play to earn content.